cocksucker. Fucking cheap there, them up. Try, man. That man, that chicks me around 5 months, man. Bumble clot, man. I said, bro, for me and him, man. My eyes clot, blah, blah, blah. Hey, leave me alone, man. They got 5 months, man. And then trying to tell me, man, bro, we're counter surveilling the guy, you know what I mean? He's hiding here, I'm hiding here, I'm hiding. Oh, we don't. Fuck. How much money that cost, man? I said, bro, just cut some. No, man, no money, man. Job. That bumble clot, man. I said, you know what, your eyes clot, but I swear to God, man, honestly, man.
So, this is the goal, man.
It's serious shit, man. Serious shit, bro.
All we know is we got the best man in the world, man.
No, bro. No, seriously, you know.
This guy deserves to be even better than Prime Minister Harper.
No. But I don't
Harper is the guy,
you know. I'm a straight up guy, you know.
I always tell him go become the Prime Minister.
Who goes in THC? Who goes in Jamestown and Jada Finch and them Malvern on them? Them fuckers. What I see, man, bro. Should I go?